Alright, welcome guys. I'm going to be explaining the integer game today. So, integer game is very simple. We start off with a setup of 4 cards each. So each player is going to get 4 cards. This is usually played in up to teams of 4, but you may play with as little people as 2, and on the exception a maximum of 5, but it will be a lot slower. So the rest of your cards will be in the draw pile. Flip the top one over to create your discard pile, and now you're ready to play. Go ahead and give each player their cards, taking your own for yourself. Okay, we're going to start by remembering that red cards are negatives and black cards are positive. So 8 is positive 8. This 9 is red, so it's a negative 9. Remember the special cards, aces are 1, jacks are 10, queens are 12, and kings are 13. Jacks are 11. Because it goes 8, 9, there's a 10, and then jacks are the next one in the row. So 11, 12, and kings are 13. Aces are 1. Alright, so that's the instructions. Let's get to the gameplay. There are 4 rounds to a game. Each player will get 4 tries to get as close to as 0. So that's the goal of the game, get as close to 0 as possible. Each round, the player will draw a card, that's your action 1, decide one to discard, that's your action 2, and then we'll find a new sum. At the end of his 4th turn, that will be the last option to get as close to 0 as possible. Let's begin. Total. I will count up my total so far. I have -1 plus -9, that's -10. I have 8 plus 11. 8 plus 11 is 19. So 19, -10. I'm going to subtract those absolute values. That's 9. 19 is much larger, so my total is positive 9. So in total, I'm going to write positive 9 for my total sum right now. Next, I'm going to take an action. I'm going to draw a card. You can draw from the discard pile or the regular draw pile. I will choose to draw from the draw pile since I don't want to increase my positive numbers too high. I want to go lower towards 0. I got a -8 this time. Okay, so my action, I drew. What did I draw? -8. Okay, my result, well, -8 from 9. My result is now positive 1. That's pretty good. Okay, description, 9 plus -8 is equal to positive 1. Okay, action 2. Now I need to discard a card. Okay, I'm currently at positive 1, so I should probably discard a positive card to get closer to the negatives. I like this 8 and 8 combo. I think I'm going to discard a jack. Okay, so I discarded a jack. Jack is positive 11. So the result, I subtracted a positive 11. So my total, I was at 1, subtract positive 11, I'm at 1 minus positive 11. That equals -10. Okay, that ends my turn. It's now the next person's turn. So you're going to put your cards down, and the next person's turn is to go. So they're going to look at their cards. They're going to add them. They're going to draw a card. They're going to find the result of that card. Now in their hand, they're going to draw out the description. The total plus the new card's value equals the new total. Then they're going to discard a card, record how much that was that they discarded. This one is minus positive 5, and then write down the equation. original minus positive 5 equals the new total. Okay, and then they're going to put down their hand, and the next person's going to go. They're going to keep doing that for 4 turns. So when it comes back to my turn, I'm going to go again. I'm going to take the card. Okay, I'm currently at -10. I drew a positive 1. The result, -10 plus 1, is -9. The description is -10 plus positive 1 equals -9. Okay, then I'm going to discard a card. I want to get less positive. In fact, I want to be exactly 9 less. So I want to be more positive, actually. So I'm going to take away 9. Okay, I discarded a -9. My result, -9 plus -9 minus -9 is 0. -9 plus, minus -9 equals 0. Let me show you that. -9 minus -9 equals 0. All right, play 2 more rounds and you're done. If you want to play a 5th round, you can discuss that with your team before getting started and do a 5th round if you'd like as well. All right, go ahead and get started. Bye.